After witnessing my elderly father's health challenges, I discovered how simple cooking mistakes were undermining the benefits of his protein-rich breakfast. Most people focus only on which foods to eat, but the preparation methods can be equally important, especially for vulnerable populations like the elderly. My journey to healthier egg preparation began when my father's doctor mentioned his increasing cholesterol levels despite an otherwise balanced diet. What makes eggs particularly sensitive to preparation methods is their delicate protein structure and nutrient composition that can be dramatically altered by heat and added ingredients. Researchers from the Harvard School of Public Health found that common cooking methods can reduce the antioxidant content of eggs by up to 40%, while potentially creating compounds that increase inflammation. Let me share 7 critical egg preparation mistakes that could be undermining your health, and how to fix them for maximum nutritional benefit. First, cooking eggs at extremely high temperatures. Excessive heat damages the delicate proteins and creates potential inflammatory compounds called advanced glycation end products. Studies published in the Journal of the American Dietetic Association show that these compounds may contribute to cellular aging and chronic disease. I switched to gentle, medium heat cooking and noticed less digestive discomfort. Second, adding excessive salt during cooking. Many people automatically salt eggs before tasting, potentially adding unnecessary sodium that can impact blood pressure. The American Heart Association recommends adults consume no more than 2,300 milligrams of sodium daily, with lower targets for seniors. Replacing salt with herbs and spices transformed the flavor profile while supporting my father's heart health. Third, using the wrong cooking oils. Cooking eggs in refined or unstable oils that smoke at high temperatures creates harmful oxidized compounds and trans fats. Nutrition researchers at the University of California found that oxidized oils can increase inflammation markers in the bloodstream. Switching to stable oils like olive oil or avocado oil made a noticeable difference in my father's inflammatory markers. Fourth, discarding the nutrient-rich yolks. Many well-intentioned people eat only egg whites, missing out on essential nutrients particularly important for brain health in aging adults. Neuroscientists from Tufts University highlight that choline, abundant in egg yolks, supports cognitive function and memory. Incorporating whole eggs in moderation helps support my father's brain health as he aged. Fifth, combining eggs with highly processed ingredients. Mixing eggs with processed meats, refined cheeses, and white flour cancels many of their health benefits. The American Diabetes Association notes that such combinations can lead to blood sugar spikes followed by crashes. Pairing eggs with vegetables and whole grains instead provided sustained energy throughout the morning. 6. Overcooking scrambled eggs until completely dry. This common mistake significantly reduces the digestibility of egg proteins and destroys heat-sensitive vitamins. Gastroenterologists explain that overcooked proteins can be harder to digest, especially for elderly individuals with declining digestive capacity. Removing eggs from heat while slightly moist improve both nutrition and texture. 7. Preparing eggs too far in advance. Letting cooked eggs sit for extended periods, especially at room temperature, can lead to potential bacterial growth and nutrient degradation. Food safety experts from the Mayo Clinic emphasize that eggs should be consumed within 2 hours of cooking. Preparing eggs fresh rather than in advance eliminated this risk factor from our household routine. Important health consideration. Individuals with specific medical conditions should consult healthcare providers about appropriate egg consumption. For optimal nutritional value, choose eggs from pasture-raised hens when possible, as they contain higher omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin content compared to conventional eggs. Proper egg storage before cooking is equally important. Keeping eggs refrigerated at or below 40 deg prevents salmonella growth, particularly critical for vulnerable populations with weaker immune systems. Seniors and immunocompromised individuals should always ensure eggs reach an internal temperature of 160 deg to eliminate any potential pathogen risk. Integrating healthier egg preparation methods into my father's routine wasn't just about improving one meal. It represented a shift toward more mindful food preparation that extended to other aspects of our cooking. The improvements in my father's cholesterol profile became evident within 3 months, demonstrating how seemingly small kitchen habits can have meaningful health impacts over time.